Alright, I'm going to do a very short video here. My recent project has been this 1999 F150 with the classic F150 no paint on the hood. 5.4 liter Triton motor with the power improved heads. I have worked my butt off to get down to this point. I'm taking the heads off to get them rebuilt tomorrow. Then I'll make a determination on whether or not to rebuild the block. Reason I'm having to do this is ye old Ford right here popped that cylinder in the head gasket. Now she's pretty dirty, so I'm believing that I'll probably just pop this motor out and rebuild this motor. It's got 213,000 miles on it, so it's probably time. At the very least, it's time to do the timing chains.